How to change folder icon to picture. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Right click on your display and create a new folder. But if you already have one folder, you don't need to. Right click and press on new. Then click on folder at the top. It will create a new folder. Then right click on the new folder and then click on properties, which is the last option. In properties, click on customize. And then at the bottom, click on change icon. You will find all these different icons. Select it, but if you want your picture, what you can do is open any web browser. In web browser, search icon converter. And simply I'll use red ketchup one. Click on it. Make sure you have the image on your device, then press on browse. Select the image you want to convert and press on open. After it's done, at the bottom make sure aspect ratio is original. After you have done that, you can select other options or simply press on download at the bottom. Now click on download at the top left. After it's downloaded, go back to the properties and click on browse. And then select the converted picture and press on open. Then press on OK. After that, at the bottom, click on apply and then press on OK. After that, you're good to go. The icon has been changed. This is how to change